Hello children, welcome back to our session number 1 of chapter number 2. Our chapter's name is Computer Software and its type. In this session, I will explain you about system application. Okay, so let's start. Chapter 2, Computer Software and its type, session 1. A computer system is considered to be made up of two main components, hardware and software. All physical devices such as keyboard, CPU, monitor and mouse that you can touch and feel are called hardware. However, hardware alone cannot perform any task on its own until it is given some instruction. Software is a set of programs and related data that are used to give instructions to the hardware that called software. Types of software. Software can be classified into the two main categories, which are system application and application software. In this session, we'll discuss about system application. So let's start. System software. The system software is required to control the overall operations of a computer system. It can be classified into three categories, which are operating system, language processor, and utility software. So first is OS, means operating system. Operating system is the most important software without which you cannot work on a computer system. Operating system is a software that lets you communicate with the computer. You are able to give instructions and get your work done on the computer because of the operating system. A computer cannot run without an OS. It serves as an interface between the user and the hardware. It means an operating system software that manages computer hardware, software resources and provides common services for computer program. There are some functions of operating system like it provides an environment in which hardware components are used in an efficient manner. It acts as a resource manager. It lets you create and manage files and folders for storing information in a computer efficiently. It means it can perform the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drives and printers. Operating systems such as Windows 10, Linux, and Mac OS are used on desktop and laptop computers. An operating system like Android and iOS are used in mobile phones. Now next is language processor. Software are created by writing programs in computer language such as C, C++, C#, Java and so on. Computer is an electronic machine and it can only understand the machine language which are zeros and ones. Language processor is a software that converts a program written in computer language into the machine language so that it can be understood by a computer. It is a program that performs operations such as translating and interpreting required for processing a specified programming language. Utility software. Utility software is an app or program designed to perform maintenance or housekeeping work in a computer system in order to ensure its smooth functioning. It means it is used to support the computer infrastructure in contrast to application software which is aimed at directly performing tasks that benefit ordinary user. Example of this type of software are disk cleanup and antivirus software. Disk cleanup. It is an app that searches for temporary files in the drives and deletes them from the selected drives. Deleting such files frees up the space occupied by the unnecessary files on the drives. It means it allows the user to remove files that are no longer needed or that can be safely deleted. Antivirus software. Virus is a computer program that may disturb the normal functioning of your computer. It may slow down the working of a computer. In order to remove such dangerous programs, antivirus programs need to be used. An antivirus program scans your disk for viruses and removes them. So antivirus software is also known as anti-malware, is a computer program used to prevent, detect and remove malware. In market, some antivirus are available like AVG, Quickheal, Norton and so on. Now coming to end of the session, you have to list out examples of hardware, examples of software, OS which run on desktop and laptop computer, OS which run on mobile phones, examples of antivirus software. So now children, I hope you understood today's session. In today's session, we have discussed about system application. Now in next session, we will discuss about application software. Okay, bye and take care.